October is usually considered one of the best beach months along the Gulf Coast, but Hurricane Sally threatened to upend that. Tonight, Drexel Gilbert is on the road in Perdido Key, where on Johnson Beach, recovery efforts have opened up part of the beach, but the majority of the area remains closed to vehicle traffic.
I think it looks great. This is our favorite beach. We love coming here.
At first glance, on the western stretch of Johnson Beach on Perdido Key, it's hard to tell that a hurricane blew through here a month ago.
We're very concerned, but it looks wonderful.
The Brown family joining many who are back on Johnson Beach now from sunrise to sunset. But beachgoers can only go so far. The end of the road, so to speak, is still at the public pavilion. Here's why. Hurricane Sally pushed so much sand across the road, it almost looks like one solid beach from the Gulf to the Intercoastal in many places. Driving this road would be hazardous in some spots, impossible in others. Crews have been busy pushing sand from the roadway, but it's a process and will take a while, something that local Walt Brown says you just have to live with in paradise.
It's part of the cycle. It's part of the life cycle. It's going to happen. It's going to happen again. You know, you just clean it up and go with it.
Meanwhile, Walt's wife Becky says the loss of the dunes makes her sad, and she hopes people who do go to Johnson Beach will be respectful of the eco-healing process.
And I've noticed that some people are, walking over where the dune line used to be.
Even as they enjoy what many believe to be the best beach month on the Gulf Coast. On the road in Perdido Key, I'm Drexel Gilbert, WKRG News 5.
That looks so gorgeous. Johnson Beach is part of the Gulf Islands National Seashore. To see more beach openings in our area, head on over to WKRG.com. Just search Beaches Open.